Oh yeah. The Storm Surge TNT from Publix. Let's do it. And we even got rainbow, what is this? Rainbow sticks, sparklers. Okay. All right, here. Face it towards that way, please.
Yeah, don't face
it. Safety first, guys. Safety first.
One at a time.
Yeah.
Alright, you move to the side.
I wouldn't point it right at the car, though.
Point it that way, yeah.
That thing's gonna go to me.
Whoa! All right, who's next? All right, get away from her here. Come over here. Stand to the right, please. Thank you very much. Face it to the street. There we go. Whoa. Your turn. There we go. Woo! Is it hot? Oh, you too? Flashing lights. Flashing lights. Dun, 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 dun. Making me nervous, man. Whoa!
That's what happened.
Oh, here we go. There we go. America. Woo! Yeah, I should have bought more of those. 4-pack, $5. Oh, you're done. I think that was it. Oh yeah, there's probably one more in there. Ooh. Thumbnail. I'm just kidding.
It's like a big thing. Towards me. You'll kill me.
Whoa.
And mine stopped.
She got another one over there? Yeah. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't let it stop. Come here, come here. Light it up. There's little sparklers too. Whoa. There he goes! Whoa! To the moon, girl, to the moon.
I think there's something down there.
It's on the other side. Write your name.
I did Ari, but in cursive.
Any more? There's a little sparklers. I think I got bit in my leg.
Oh, it hit me.
She's on fire. Look at that. Nice.
We should have 2 for each.
Yep, 2 for each. Yep, 2, 2.
Look, I need to take one. One of mine. I have 3. I can't have 3. Let me not make the same mistake. What if I just go like this? Where I touch this part. Oh, I feel drops too.
Here we go. Sorry.
Are we doing 2 at a time?
Go ahead. Light it up.
Better watch out.
It's gonna explode.
That's how you light up sparklers. There you go. Somebody's got lit. There you go. There you go. Oh, you got it. There you go.
It doesn't work like that.
Move away from this box.
There you go. Like that. There you go. Watch out for the car.
Wow.
The other ones were so bright. These are weak. They don't even spark. That's it. Wow.
I can't even spell anything with this.
Ooh, I'm getting bit in my head.
Trying to do a heart.
Mine already stopped.
No way. Yeah, let's start doing the other ones.
Better.
All right, here we go. Let's do one of these.
Can I do it?
What?
I want to do it.
This?
Yeah.
Right here.
I want to light it.
You gotta. No, you girl. Oh, I'm getting bit here. Oh, you just had a moth that was going in your head. You're gone. I know, it's a lot of mosquitoes. All right, ready? There you go. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna go like right here.
That's it?
Yep. ¡Qué lindo! I didn't even know that. I didn't expect that. Here, this one. Go tell your dad. Then you can come out with you.
Move the box at least. Girl, you need to put it over here.
Woo!
Yeah, we used to do dance fights, me and my baseball team. I was scared.
Whoa!
He says yes if you're watching.
Oh, okay. He's afraid of fireworks. Copy that. Alright, ready?
I want to see the words in it.
Right here. Here you go.
Hey, you remember Chicago? We used to buy a lot of stuff.
The first one looked good, my eyes were.
Oíste, David.
Huh?
¿Te recuerdas en Chicago? We used to
Oh,
buy
I know, in the street, man. Like, boo, boo, boo.
a lot.
I remember they had the wheel, like, it's like they rolled it. Oh, here we go. Oh, snap.
Almost made it Iraq over here.
That one you had to step away. That was this one. It was the, what is it, ready or not? That's what it says.
Oh, we weren't ready.
Yeah, you guys weren't ready, that's for sure.
Everybody started running.
I ran behind you.
Let me put it right here.
And I uploaded to my phone and I said, yes.
This was probably the same, so be careful.
Should we put more?
Yeah, this is right here.
Can I light the next one?
Here, yeah, look at this. So you gotta
I know.
If it's like that,
pull this back.
make sure she does the tip and not the freaking other part.
Pull this back and you press the trigger.
Okay. I'm scared.
Is it one of the big ones again?
It probably
Go. That's awesome.
Done?
Yeah.
Are you sure? It's still light. The black one.
The black one? Alright.
Maybe we should put that further in the road.
back it up over there.
Why?
Cause he's shooting it.
Next year we should go somewhere with a bunch of fireworks.
¡Ay, qué lindo!
You got jumping jacks. Remember the jumping jacks? Those things will go.
goldfish does do something kind of work. This year would have been nice to go see the fireworks because it's nice and cool. I hate when it's hot.
So I don't know what's gonna happen. There it goes. That was it. Come on, baby. You just got more. There you go. There you go. Oh no, it's got more. It's got more? No, that was it. No one's coming up. Here we go. Come on.
You almost finished them all?
Got two more. Yeah, you took forever.
I was trying to
Ready?
find something.
Come over here, come over here, come over here, come over here. The stick is right here. See it?
What?
Go, go, go. It's going, it's going. There's one that's very aggressive, so stay back. Here we go, here we go. This is Sky Striker. Look, it's got a drone and everything. That one seems aggressive. Press again. The trigger, the trigger. Here we go.
Run, girl. She goes off slow motion.
Woo! Here we go, it's coming. USA!
You're outside, your face is red.
Ay, me caigo. Oh, I can see.
It's hot over there.
Oh.
Golden.
It's already, I guess, summertime too, and it's a bit, yeah. Wait. He's so stupid.
That's your one foot for you.
Yeah. I see a goofy ass guy on there.
Oh, look
There it goes.
Oh, you missed it. I hit the Randy Orton pose.
Oh, dang, I should have done.